Alright, welcome back to Terrible Fishing. Well, it finally arrived a minute ago. Oh, I know. This is my Gary Loomis Edge Rod. Now, this is the way you ship something. Thick tube, put like metal caps on it, which it's going to take me like 10 minutes to undo. Something. I don't know how to pull this thing off. But unlike the Shimano that came broken in a square box, and try not to get me, break my knife. Okay, got that. Pulling this cap off is hard enough. My goodness. Cut it all the way around. Alright. Ain't nobody gonna open this accidentally. You know. I got some of the cap off. So this is the Gary Loomis EFXPro rod, and on his Edge series, I will tell you, if you order one, don't expect it anytime soon. They are backed up and at capacity right now in their factory. I'm going to have to use that knife again. Oh, there we go. Alright, we got the top off. Put a metal cap on it. Alright. Let's see. The medium fast. I'm sure that's all they give you. Just the rod. You wait this long. Maybe a surprise would be in there. A sticker or something, right? So these are pretty much made to order. That's why they take so long. They say 3 to 5 weeks, but I will tell you, it's more like 6 to 8 weeks. Order what's in stock and you'll get it in 2 or 3 weeks. Their shipping department is, well, understaffed in my opinion. So there's my receipt. They have a sale going on right now. So this is the most expensive rod I have ever purchased. I actually ordered the Delta. It was on sale for $150. But they couldn't make the Delta in time or in a satisfactory time frame. They had some of these in stock. 7 of them. So he talked me into spending another $50, 53 actually, to get this. Alright. So this is the Edge EFXPro unboxing. Now what makes this very different is the grip. This is a carbon fiber grip. So it's like holding on to the blank on the handle. And so you can feel, supposedly, find out Monday, feel what the rod is doing. The reel seat is their reel seat. It's an Edge reel seat, from what I remember. So this is their locking nut. Now, I've already restrung my Shimano SLX-XT. This is their casting version, of course. Alright, let's lock that down. So, with my SLX-XT, now let's take a look at the guides. Take a look at the guides, make sure it's laser lined. And they look really good. So, again, I'm just sort of looking it over, guys. Weighs about an ounce, very lightweight. Its recommendations is 10 to 12 pound test. It's a 7-foot rod, 1/8 to 1/2 ounce, so that's fine. That's exactly what I wanted. So when I'm looking, you're looking for seams, imperfections, slight one right there. It's just a finish thing, though. So, alright, so I love the grip. The backbone is, I'd put it about 65% up, which is good. The tip, again, it's a medium, so fast tip. It's a good tip. Should cast really, really well. I know it just looks like a regular rod. I will tell you that rods catch a lot of fish, a good rod. I mean, you do too, of course. I mean, put a great piece of work inside somebody else's hands that doesn't know how to use it, then what good is it? But I'm going to use this on Monday, I think, with a buddy of mine. Now I'm looking at the carbon fiber grip. Finish looks good. Just looking at the tuck and finish on it. It's got an EVA foam butt on it. Exposed right here, but again, you know, that's how you grab it, but you should be able to feel the rod, you know, the hit right through the grip itself. That's why I wanted it, really. Never owned a Loomis, so I'm very frustrated with the company itself, but I'm hoping the rod makes up for it. The grip feels really good. That carbon fiber grip is got a lot of texture to it, so I don't think that's going to be an issue at all. I was a little worried if it was smooth or whatever, but it feels like you've got a good strong grip to it. But this is their Edge EFXPro. Buy what's in stock, guys, because if they have to make it, it's gonna take forever. It really will. My bass season's over, so we're gonna be using this rod as a trout rod for a while. I might catch a few bass. I mean, I expect to, but the season's just about done here in Klamath Falls. So I'm hoping, you know, that we'll be able to get this thing out on the water. And anyway, this is a $200 rod, and normally that's way too much for me to pay, but I broke my medium, and medium, Your medium rod, a medium fast, is really a workhorse, good for almost everything. So I use my ultralight and I use my medium for 90% of my fishing. So this is going to get a real workout. I don't recommend the company for customer service, but I am impressed with the rod, at least initially. We're going to see what it's like out on the water. Hopefully it won't break. Because if it does, I hear there's nightmares to get Loomis to honor their lifetime warranties, and they do come with lifetime warranties. Now fortunately, Loomis is only 5.5 hours north of me, so if indeed this does break, mind you, I will take a drive up there. I'm not going to ship it. I'm just going to go up there and swap it out. And it'll take a full day of traveling, but it'll save me a lot of frustration, and it'll cost me a lot of gas. So, but anyway, thank you guys for tuning in, and we will see you guys out on the water with an old high school buddy of mine. He's going to join me out on the water, and we're going to take him fishing here in Southern Oregon. So take care, everybody, and we'll see you guys out on the water.